log in to your Salesforce account. If Setup is not already open, go to the top right and click on the Settings icon. Select Setup. After opening the Setup menu, go to the left-hand sidebar menu. Scroll down and go to the Settings option. Click on Identity. After clicking on Identity, go to the OAuth and APPSeCONNECT settings. After opening the option, you will find the Allow OAuth Username Password Flows option. If it is not already enabled, please enable it. Close the Identity option. Scroll up and click on the Apps drop-down. Click on App Manager. Go to the top right corner and click on the New Connected App button. You will get a pop-up saying, Create a new connected app. Select Create a Connected App and press Continue. Give your connected app a name. Provide a contact email of the suitable contact person from your organization. You may provide the contact phone number as well. Scroll below to the API Enable OAuth settings. Enable the OAuth settings. Give a callback URL. Go below to the selected OAuth scopes. Search for Full Access. Select Full Access and add it to the selected OAuth scopes. Uncheck any other options that are enabled. Proceed with saving the app. After your app gets saved, click on Manage. Go to Edit Policies. You will find two options in the OAuth policies. Go to the Permitted Users option. Select For all users may self-authorize. In the IP relaxation option for Enforce IP restrictions, click on Relax IP restrictions. Proceed with saving the app. After your app is successfully saved, you can get the consumer key and consumer secret in the following order. Go to the Platform Tools option. Select the Apps drop-down and go to App Manager again. Search for the app that you have saved. Click on the right-hand side drop-down. Click on View. Click on Manage Consumer Details. You will be prompted for a verification code to get the consumer key and consumer secret. Provide the verification code and click on Verify. When this window opens, you will get your consumer details, including the consumer key and consumer secret. Copy the consumer key and place it in the APPSeCONNECT user interface. Follow the same step for the consumer secret.